Hey folks, have you ever thought, how come that person becomes successful so fast? We're the same age. Well, maybe it's not about luck. It's about the small habits they do every single day. Today, we're going to talk about 5 simple habits that can help you get rich faster, and in this video, we'll focus on the first 3. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now so you won't miss any new insights about self-development and personal finance every week. 1. Keep learning and developing yourself. One of the most common habits among successful people is that they never stop learning and growing. They understand that the world keeps changing, and if they don't adapt, they'll be left behind. Learning isn't just about school subjects. It's about improving life skills, sharpening your mindset, and understanding how to manage money wisely. Every new piece of knowledge you gain can open up new opportunities. For example, learning how to manage your time, understanding the basics of investing, or improving your communication skills. All of these directly impact the quality of your life. It's also important to expand your knowledge about finance. Many people work hard every day, yet still struggle to save money simply because they don't know how to manage it properly. With even a little bit of financial literacy, you can learn to tell the difference between needs and wants, and how to make your money grow instead of disappear. So, make it a habit to invest your time in learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational videos, or join online classes. Every bit of new knowledge is a valuable asset for your future. Remember, before you can fix your financial situation, fix your mindset and your understanding of money first. Wealth won't last long without the intelligence to manage it. 2. Turn other people's success into motivation. When you see others becoming successful at a young age, buying a house, driving a car, or running their own business, it's easy to feel insecure or jealous. But those feelings won't change anything unless you turn them into positive energy. Instead of comparing yourself to them, take their success as proof that your dreams are also possible. Everyone has their own timing and path, so there's no need to feel left behind. When you see someone achieving something great, think to yourself, if they can do it, so can I. It's just a matter of effort and time. Jealousy only drains your energy and distracts you from focusing on your own growth. On the other hand, using other people's achievements as inspiration will give you new motivation to move forward. Observe how they work hard, what habits they have, and how they think, then learn from them. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's built through hard work, discipline, and persistence. So change your perspective on other people's success. See it as a roadmap that shows you what's possible. That way, you'll stay motivated without getting trapped in unhealthy comparisons. 3. Get used to living without debt. The next powerful habit that can speed up your path to wealth is avoiding consumer debt. Debt can be a subtle trap that slowly holds back your financial growth. It often starts small, maybe a little purchase on installment, but over time it piles up and creates chaos in your finances. Many people struggle not because they don't work hard, but because most of their income goes to paying off debt. Debt itself isn't the enemy. It's how we use it that matters. If you borrow for something productive, like a business investment, that can be smart. But if it's just for lifestyle or showing off, it will only slow you down from reaching financial freedom. Learn to live within your means. If you can't afford something yet, wait until you truly can. The ability to delay gratification is far more valuable than months of financial stress from paying installments. Being rich isn't about owning everything, it's about having full control over your money. And one clear sign that you've started mastering your finances is when you no longer rely on debt just to look capable. Start small. Avoid using credit cards unless absolutely necessary. Track every expense and make saving a priority before spending. These small acts of discipline will slowly lead you to true financial freedom. 4. Build multiple streams of income. One simple habit that many millionaires have in common is creating additional sources of income. Relying on only one paycheck is risky, especially when the economy changes or emergencies happen unexpectedly. Think of it this way, if one income stream stops, the others keep you stable. That's how wealthy people stay secure, even when life throws challenges at them. Your extra income doesn't have to be huge or complicated. You could start small, sell digital products, create online content, freelance, or even invest a little bit of your savings to grow passively. The goal isn't to work endlessly, but to make your money work for you. Many people assume that having multiple incomes means working harder, but actually it's about working smarter. You can build systems, side hustles, or assets that earn money even when you're not actively working. Imagine you have a main job, a small business online, and some money invested in mutual funds or stocks. Each one contributes to your financial stability. Over time, these streams can grow into something big, and that's how real wealth starts. So don't settle for just one source of income. Keep exploring new skills and opportunities that allow you to earn in different ways. Remember, true financial freedom doesn't come from how much you earn in one place. It comes from having options that keep you secure no matter what happens. 5. Start investing. Don't just save. The last simple habit that can make you rich faster is investing your money, not just saving it. Saving is good, but it's not enough. Why? Because the value of money decreases over time due to inflation. The same amount of cash that can buy something today might not be enough a few years from now. When you only save, your money stays still. But when you invest, your money starts working for you. That's what wealthy people do differently. They understand that growth happens when money moves with purpose. You don't need to start big. Even small investments done consistently can create big results in the long run. You can invest in things like mutual funds, gold, property, stocks, or even in your own skills and education, because that's also a form of investment that pays off for life. The key is to start early and stay consistent. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow through compounding, that quiet magic that turns small amounts into something significant over time. Also, learn about the risks before investing. Don't just follow trends or hype. Understand what you're investing in so you can make smart decisions instead of emotional ones. The more you know, the more confident you become in managing your finances. Think of investing as planting a tree. At first, it might look small and slow, but if you keep nurturing it, one day it'll grow strong enough to provide shade and fruit for you to enjoy. That's what long-term financial growth feels like. Steady, patient, and rewarding. Final thoughts. So, let's recap. 1. Keep learning and developing yourself. 2. Turn other people's success into motivation. So avoid unnecessary debt. Build multiple income streams. 5. Start investing early and wisely. None of these habits are difficult, but they do require consistency. Wealth doesn't come from luck or shortcuts. It comes from daily actions that shape your mindset, discipline, and financial awareness. If you start applying these habits one by one, you'll slowly see changes not just in your bank account, but in your confidence and quality of life. Remember, small habits repeated every day can create big transformations over time. And before you go, if this video helped open your mind or gave you motivation to start your financial journey, click the subscribe button now. It's completely free, but it helps this channel grow and allows me to share even more valuable lessons about self-development and financial freedom with you. Let's grow, learn, and build our future together, starting from today. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.